Welcome back, everyone, to episode 2. I am excited for this episode. We are going to get to villager trading and building our house. I got a lot of work to do, but I'm so excited. I have something in mind for our build, and the villager trading is going to really help with locking down this hardcore world as something that might stick around for a while. Now, one of, if not the best way, in my opinion, to get blocks, just a ton of blocks, is to dig out a slime chunk. That's going to give us so many blocks to work with. I am going to use chunk base, but I want to minimize how much chunk base I use, if at all. I'm thinking I'm going to take it all the way from the top. So I'm just going to go ahead and mark this out. One last corner post. 1, 2. That's our other. I'd probably want something a little better than iron, but I do have an infinite source of iron, which means maybe I just dig. Well, the first layer's done. Let me tell you something. This is going to take a minute. Okay. Some efficiency and some diamond tools would go a long way here. I am gonna need some leather. Time to make a little bit of a sugarcane farm. I think I'm just gonna do like tiered. Boop. Alright, let's see if we can't luck out. We're looking for protection, efficiency, unbreaking. Anything else? Feather falling would be cool. I am digging a giant hole. Let's see if we can't get this going. Respiration. If we're gonna be locking in trades, we're gonna need to have some emeralds. My plan is, well, this is all going down. Ow. Oh, you dog. Oh, you dog. Why? I feel like in this world, I've been terrorized by creepers more than I ever have. I'm gonna go look for diamonds while this matures, so I can make some tools. Oh, let's go. Alright, that's a pickaxe. I gotta make sure there's no creepers around before I start crafting. I'm gonna start with just a pickaxe. This is gonna be the slime digging tool. I want to kind of isolate the villagers that we have actively set with jobs. We're really just assuming we're going to be able to get weakness potions. I hope that's not problematic down the line. Psych. Nice. Okay, if I move you closer, are you just going to instantly turn them on? No? Oh, yep. Yep. Okay. Oh, you got into a boat. You jumped through the boat. Oh, no. Well, I don't even know what to do about this. Okay, so we got the zombie. We got the guy. You jumped through. In case I lose you, you're just the efficiency guy. No big deal. You know what I can use those other diamonds for? An enchanting table. How many obsidian do I have? 2. I have a pickaxe now, and there's a thing over there. Oh! Remember I tried to mine the other one with a gold pickaxe, and it did not work. Okay. I forget how long that takes. Okay. We have 3 leather, which is 1 bookshelf. We have 63 paper. I'm like halfway there. Okay. 21 books, 7 shelves. Okay. That's fine. That's actually good. Yeah, I'm perfectly happy with that. Mending. Boom. Mending. With efficiency 3, unbreaking, silk touch mending, I'm more than stoked to start mining again. I'm worried that this is going to get full. I got nothing to worry about. I mean, this is like not an optimal farm design. Those poor villagers got taken out. Oh, that's so much quicker. That's way more satisfying. Are you joking? These I'm gonna lose my mind. Well, I'm gonna keep working on this, save you guys having to watch me go absolutely crazy. Thanks for tuning in. I'm hoping to have this done for next episode, and then I promise we'll get to building. I clearly need a house the way things are going with these creepers, so I will see you on the next one.